Hello, Sundari. This is a very unique video. This video is about a year old, and the reason why I didn't post it before is because I lost its audio file. A year later, my priorities have changed, and I care more about giving you guys a new video than caring about the audio file. So I hope you guys don't mind the bad audio, and if you mind, let me know in the comment section. Let's go. Hello, Sundari. I had to buy a diffuser for my hair. I basically went on Amazon and I bought the cheapest diffuser that I possibly could find. Okay. I guess kabutars are doing Bharatanatyam now. My main aim was not to get the most brilliant diffuser or a hairdryer. I just wanted a hairdryer that was light and I could use in Delhi. I found out this, and I'm not gonna lie, the only reason why I purchased it is because it looks like the Dyson one. Will I buy a 25,000 rupees hairdryer right now? No. Will I buy its knockoff that most probably will not work? Yes. Since I bought it, I thought why not do a video because I know this will be helpful for you guys. This diffuser says to be about 1000 something rupees on Amazon, but in reality you can buy it for like 700 something, which is a steal if you're looking for a hairdryer. I've been using this hairdryer for a month now and I didn't get electrocuted, so I thought why not do this video. Please be aware that this hairdryer does not come with a warranty. They're not going to give you your money back, although I do think that you can return it. I'm not too sure. You can check it out. If you want to buy this diffuser, I'll leave it in the description box, but do not, if it does not work, please do not come for me. I've only used it for about a month, so at least it will work for you for a month. If you're somebody that wants a really cheap diffuser and you don't really like, you don't want super fancy, then try this. If you want to invest your money, definitely go for like Philips and other things. Like just add 500 or 600 rupees extra and like save up and buy that. This is what the diffuser came as. It just says super. That's creepy. So when you see it online, it says something else, but this is what the box looks like. It just says hairdryer, super professional. Not just professional, super professional. And inside of this hairdryer you get, there's like a cute baby. Sorry, it's not a baby. There's a cute kid on the other side of it. And it seems extremely devious of them to do this, by the way. Just, it's hella creepy. Like why is this kid anyways. The only thing apart from the body and the diffuser you get is this nozzle. I haven't used it. I don't know how good it is. It kind of looks like the Dyson, but it's not really the Dyson. The Dyson has air vents here. It does not have like the vacuum thing here. There's also like a clipping thing, but like the Dyson is for 25,000 rupees. You're not going to get that in 700 rupees. Prioritize, okay? And you have a button here. If you press it, you will get cold air, and this one is for the throw of the air and this one is for the heat of the hair. So you can go like a mild warm or like really hot. 1, 2, and this one is like normal or like high. The hairdryer that I have in Kathmandu is like an actual branded one. It's Philips or something, and it's hella heavy, you know. And I guess a heavy hair diffuser is great because it means like strength and power and quality. But when you're doing your own hair, if it's light, it's great. This is so easy to maneuver around in my, like on my head. Extremely light. I feel like this must be like 200 grams or something, and it's just great. The one thing that I hate about this though is the cord is not long at all. I think this must be like 1 meter. Yeah, it's just a meter long wire. So for this you need at least an attachment that is closer to like where exactly you want to blow dry. So that is the only negative thing that I've noticed. Also the plug point is, I think, not Indian. It's like the outside, like just to, there we go. It looks like this. So you need a converter or you need an extender, a wire extender that actually goes well with this sort of a plug-in. Apart from that, it has a thing that you can hang with. This is what I use to hang it inside the almirah. Now let's get to the meat of the video. This is what the diffuser looks like. I'm going to try to focus and zoom it in. The the holes inside the diffuser are not small. So this is not going to give you like an amazing blow drying effect, but for 700 rupees this is great, this is brilliant. Okay, so also the quality of the diffuser is not the best. It's squishy and it looks like it's gonna break at any moment, where it hasn't really broken on me. So it feels extremely flimsy, but at the same time, in 700 rupees it's okay. Unlike the Dyson, this one does not have the magnetic clasp, so you're gonna take it like so. Yeah, you just take it and you press the diffuser on top of it and it just becomes like this. This is so easy to use, guys. It's extremely light, it's very small, so you can always like maneuver it around, and it does give you a tentative idea of how the Dyson is gonna sit in your hands. Although I feel like this is a bit bigger, like the Dyson is about this much, but at the same time it's extremely light. I absolutely love it. Will I recommend this to you? The only bad point about this is the wire length, and that could be a make or break sort of an aspect for you if you're somebody that wants like a longish wire. It takes the same amount of time to dry my hair. If I'm being honest, all blow dryers do the same thing. Even if Dyson says that, oh, it reduces the amount of like time and all that, it's all mumbo jumbo. It really doesn't. Yeah, it might like help in just like 10%, but you know, a hair dryer cannot defy physics, you know what I mean? So I like it. So the positive points is that it's extremely light, very easy to travel around with, extremely cheap. That's about it. The negative points is that there is no warranty. You are spending 700 rupees. That's not really not a lot of money. I mean, 700 rupees is still a lot of money, but there is no warranties and there is no earthing in this plug. That is a huge deal for me, but I don't really think a lot of hair dryers come with earthing anyways. I feel like because this is a random brand, it is also kind of unsafe to use this in a bathroom or some other place with water. I don't think you can electrocute yourself with this, but you can never be too sure. Okay, so if you're somebody that's a stickler for details, if you're somebody that really is very scared of blow dryers killing you with like electricity, don't buy this. Only buy this if you want something light, cheap, you just want for like in between. And yeah, so I would definitely recommend this if you're somebody that travels a lot, if you want something super light, or if you're somebody that just does not have crazy amounts of money right now to buy a really good diffuser. And if you just want something for like in between, you haven't really made up your mind about buying the Dyson or some other hair dryers that are at a normal price range, you can definitely try this diffuser if you're somebody that travels a lot, if you want something super light, and you need something that's not crazy expensive. I would not suggest that you buy this thinking that this is a good quality hair dryer and a diffuser. The diffuser in itself is like very bad quality, like it just squeaks when you go like this. But for 700 rupees, this is completely fine. But if they raise the price to like 1000 or 1500, do not buy this. I'm gonna link another diffuser that I gifted my sister that is about 1000 rupees. So if you guys want something that's better quality but like about 1000 rupees, you can try to buy that one. I use that one as well, and it's also nice, but that one is definitely sturdier than this one. But again, this one is cheaper, so it really depends on what you want. If you want something that is more sturdy, if you want to invest in a diffuser, definitely go for that one. And if you're somebody that already has like a good diffuser, you just want one to travel with, then definitely try this. But obviously the wire is shorter and the plug-in point looks like this, so just beware and be square. Yes, I hope you guys like this video, and if you didn't subscribe, if you have any other questions about this diffuser, definitely let me know in the comment section. If you want to buy this diffuser or any other one, I will definitely leave links in the description box. You can also ask me any question that you have about curly hair, or you know, like how to take care of curly hair. If you're somebody that has curly hair and has not started the curly girl routine, or if you're somebody that has curly hair but you don't know how to take care of your hair, definitely I'll leave a link of my video in the description box. Look into it. It's definitely going to help you with your hair. So that's about it. I hope you guys like this video, and if you didn't subscribe,